So today I want to share with you this Christmas tree collar, but first I want to give a shout out to the brand for sponsoring this video in exchange for sharing it with you. So I am actually not very familiar with Christmas tree collars. They have become popular over the last few years. I usually have in the past I've used a skirt, a Christmas tree skirt, but my skirt is definitely getting old and dingy, and so I am happy to upgrade to something more contemporary or modern. This is definitely like a farmhouse style, but is also could be considered classic over time, right? I did not realize this, but it actually comes in 4 pieces, which I think is perfect for storing, because if it was one big giant circle, it definitely would take up a lot of room. Something else that I've noticed is that one of them has a little notch right here, which is ideal for your Christmas lights. So you have a place for the wire to go through, and it's not sitting on this flat part right here and getting all wobbly. It can sit flat, and the wire and the Christmas tree collar won't get in the way of each other. So how you would put this together is one side has these hooks right here, these wires, and the other side has 2 loops, metal loops that the hooks will set into. Let's see, just like this. Obviously you gotta line them up perfectly, like that. And you just repeat till the whole thing is connected. I will go ahead and put this around my tree before I forget. Here is the collar all up close and finished. Like you saw, it took no time to put together. I love that it keeps it nice and clean looking. Underneath the tree, leaves plenty of room for presents to be filled under there. And you're not having to, like with a skirt, you know, you're always having to straighten it and stuff. This, you don't have to straighten it, and I love that. This tree is a 7-foot Christmas tree with a 4-foot diameter at the base. And I feel that this collar to tree proportions or ratio, whatever you want to call it, actually fits quite nicely. So I hope you found this video helpful in determining if this is a Christmas tree collar that you want for your tree or not. I think it's fabulous and something that could last for years. 10 out of 10, I highly recommend. Real quick, before you go, if you have watched this video and decided that this product is a good fit for what you're looking for, be sure to check the description below and you will find a link that will direct you straight to the product. All right.